If changing habits feels harder after 45, it's not a lack of discipline, it's psychology. Neuroscience shows that the brain changes with age, but it does not lose the ability to change. In fact, after midlife, habit change becomes slower, but often more permanent. In this video, we'll break down 5 science-backed reasons why habits work differently after 45, and how to work with your brain instead of fighting it. Point 1. Neuroplasticity. Changes, not disappears. Neuroscience research from Harvard and the National Institutes of Health shows that neuroplasticity slows with age, but it never shuts down. After 45, the brain becomes more selective. It doesn't rewire quickly, but it rewires more efficiently. This means habits no longer form through intensity or sudden effort. They form through consistency. Small, repeated actions create stronger and longer-lasting neural pathways. After midlife, doing less, but doing it daily, works better than pushing harder. Point 2. Dopamine motivation. Declines with age. Dopamine is the brain chemical tied to motivation and reward. Studies show that dopamine receptors gradually decline with age. This is why excitement and novelty don't drive behavior the way they used to. After 45, waiting to feel motivated stops working. The brain now responds better to structure than emotion. This is why routines, checklists, and fixed schedules outperform willpower in midlife. After 45, motivation fades, but systems keep habits alive. Point 3. Stress strengthens. Old habits, chronic stress raises cortisol, a hormone that reinforces existing neural pathways. Under stress, the brain doesn't experiment. It retreats. This explains why old habits return during difficult periods, even when you know better. Stress doesn't create bad habits. It exposes them. This is why habit change fails when sleep, recovery, and mental load are ignored. Lower stress first, and habit change becomes possible again. Point 4. Identity becomes the main driver. Behavioral psychology shows that habits stick longer when tied to identity instead of goals. Goals are temporary. Identity is stable. I am a healthy person is far more powerful than I want to lose weight. After 45, the brain filters behavior through self-image. When a habit aligns with who you believe you are, it requires less effort and fewer decisions. At midlife, identity shapes behavior more than motivation ever could. Point 5. Purpose activates long-term change. Long-term aging studies, including research from Blue Zones, show that people with a strong sense of purpose maintain healthier habits and live longer. After 45, discipline weakens, but meaning strengthens. Purpose activates emotional brain regions linked to persistence and long-term behavior. Habits last longer when they serve something bigger than short-term results. After midlife, purpose sustains change better than discipline. Conclusion. After 45, habit change isn't about trying harder. It's about understanding how the adult brain actually works. When habits align with identity, structure, and purpose, change becomes sustainable. If you want science-backed habits that actually work after 45, follow Rethink Again here.